Willy, come here. This is like totally frozen solid. Like 7 months ago we were setting off fireworks right up there last July. And it was like 90 degrees that day. Now it's like probably in the low 30s, high 20s. Here's the 91 Toyota again, incredible condition. And it's actually got a collapsible rear camper thing. Like it actually folds down when it's not in use. And my uncle actually had these same exact rims on an 87 Toyota pickup that he had. One of the older, boxier ones. It actually looked exactly like Marty McFly's truck in Back to the Future, except it wasn't four-wheel drive. My uncle's 87 Toyota. Now that one actually had air conditioning, factory installed, but that one rusted to hell. And it only had like 90,000 original miles on it when he sold it about 5 years ago. Play fetch with Willy, you just toss the ball on your own. I think that is a Janitrol, that heat pump over there, or a Goodman. All built in the late 90s, early 2000s, and I don't know exactly when Janitrol was phased out, but the newest Janitrol I've ever seen is 1997. That actually might be a Lennox. Never got close enough to it to tell. But most of the homes in this neighborhood have York or Rheem heat pumps. And they're actually still building parts of this neighborhood. This house is 11 years old. They're still... Actually, I take that back. This house is 12 years old, and they're still building parts of the neighborhood. It's like a skating rink back here. Willy, come here. Did you lose the ball? There you go. There's the propane for the fireplace right there. This is totally frozen solid. And there's a goldfish pond under here somewhere. Yeah, it should be right about here. You know what, right there. Yeah, my uncle has like those little 10-cent Comet feeder goldfish in there. And they live long enough that they get huge. Willy! Willy! Cold. It's so cold earlier, but now it's getting colder. Is it still running? Oh, and it looks like it's even frozen again. Yeah, she is really frozen. And I just referred to a heat pump as she. Don't know why. Yeah, I think it's... Yeah, there's little bands of ice and frost on it. Window I was looking out earlier. Willy! Willy! What you doing, Willy? And another crazy thing, it's like below freezing and I'm out here drinking a Diet Coke. Element is a 2010. Every option except four-wheel drive. It even has GPS. It's loaded. Certainly getting much better traction than I am. Willy. Willy. Maybe I'll get an actual steam show from that Amana. Yeah, now you follow me. Are you trying to eat my shoe? Yeah, that tastes real good, doesn't it? You're 5 years old, you're well past your teething stage, and you're actually trying to eat my sneakers. Willy. Yeah, those really must taste good. I don't even... Why are you trying to eat my shoes? Come on, let's go see if the heat pumps defrosting again. Stop trying to eat my shoes. You got a perfectly good tennis ball right there. Yep, it's frozen again. The thermostat's set to like 68 or 69. Willy! Willy! Back here! Willy! Willy! I've actually heard of dogs that are scared of central air conditioners and heat pumps. This one doesn't give a crap. And you're going after my shoe again. Wonder if soda will freeze. Kilowatt hour meter. Willy! Look at him go. And he's a relatively short-furred dog, too. It amazes me this cold weather doesn't bother him this much. And there are some parts of the ice where I can actually walk on without falling through, and other parts where I go right through. Like here. Willy! Willy! And I don't know how well this is going to come out when I load it up to the computer, but I've been like fidgeting and pressing the zoom in, zoom out button here. I don't know if that causes it to temporarily lose sound if you hit it, if you zoom out while it's zoomed all the way out, or zoom in while it's all the way zoomed in. We'll have to see when I upload it later tonight. And my friend's actually got a gig back home at a tavern. Gonna go watch that tonight at about 10. Oh yeah, this is really starting to freeze up. Might actually get a steam show. Alright, until then, I'll be back.